Hello everybody, welcome to GearDemo.com. My name is Russell Anderson. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and it's going to get better right now. We are talking guitar tone, and I'm going to introduce you to somebody who is an absolute beast with the Fractal AXE gear. Let's take a quick listen to something from Mr. Zak Patton. All right, there's some good stuff there from Mr. Zak Patton. Full name, Zachary Patton. I love that name. High fives to his parents for coming up with that name. Love it. But Zak Patton is a real beast when it comes to the Fractal AXE gear. And you know, I can remember before Fractal was around, we were playing with those pods. And you know, some people could get a pretty good, the Line 6 pods. Some people could get a pretty good sound out of those things. I struggled with that myself. But, you know, along comes Fractal, and I don't think you could overstate the contribution and value that the people at Fractal have brought to guitar processing. I mean, I remember hearing some of those initial players, and I thought to myself, oh my gosh, listen to this. This is unbelievable. And Fractal has stayed on the forefront of guitar tone ever since. So, you know, it's a big deal. They've got a good thing going, but you know, it's not plug and play. It takes a little bit of work to get really where you want to go. But if you invest the time and you know what you're doing, the end result can be well worth it. And that's what we're talking about today. For those of us who struggle a little bit, maybe with our patience, maybe with our understanding of the complexities of the gear. So if you need a little help dialing in your Fractal tones, I highly recommend you connect with Zak Patton. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can connect right to his session page at GearDemo.com. And by the way, Zak is also a fantastic guitar teacher. I took a lesson or two with him a couple of years ago, and I'm still benefiting from some of the things we discussed and worked on in that lesson. So highly recommended as a guitar teacher as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you find that tone that you're searching for, and there's no question in my mind that Zak can help you do it. Thanks so much. We'll talk with you again soon. Goodbye now. Hi everybody, I'm Russell Anderson, and my job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can find. At GearDemo.com, we're building a registry of private instructors and tutors from all over the world that teach live via video conference, one-on-one, so that you can study from the comfort of your own home. You can ask your questions and hear their tips, tricks, and solutions to the challenges that you're having. We're off to a fast start with some great teachers. I hope you'll get on over to GearDemo.com and check us out.